Hi, I'm Phil McEvoy, president of Mid-Ohio Air Conditioning. We've been doing commercial HVAC since 1967, and we've built our reputation by showing up, doing it right, and standing behind our work. In our world, talk is cheap, and proof is everything. Mid-Ohio supports commercial, industrial, and institutional customers across Ohio with capabilities that span service, maintenance, construction design build, and controls integration. We're owned by Environmental Comfort, who's an equipment rep. We're proud to serve 700 plus active customers and industrial clients. That scale requires consistent execution. Our philosophy is simple: be professional, be transparent, and make it easy for our customers to make confident decisions. In HVAC, outcomes are driven by information: what we found, what it means, what we did, and what happens next. Data-focused technology matters because it turns field observations into repeatable processes, and repeatable processes are what scale quality. It's not technology for technology's sake. It's technology that improves decision-making. Faster approvals, fewer misunderstandings, better documentation, and tighter coordination between the field and office. We've also leaned into diagnostic approaches that create real-time condition insights, because proactive decisions beat emergency calls every time. We chose XOIs because it's built for job site reality. It captures the truth quickly through photo, video, and narration, then turns it into something customers and office teams can act on. We started with XOI heavily because Aon provided it for startups, commissioning, and warranty documentation. We quickly realized the same tool makes our day-to-day service and maintenance stronger. At Mid-Ohio, we use it to document recommendations for repair or replacement, component failures and corrective actions, and proof of resolution before and after documentation. XOI isn't an extra step, it's how we operate. And we all know if it isn't documented, it didn't happen. Simple example is a technician finds an issue during the preventive maintenance inspection. Instead of writing a paragraph and hoping the customer understands what they've written, they record a short narrated video showing the exact component and what's wrong. That video gets shared with the customer so they can see what the technician sees and make a faster decision with more confidence. Then when we complete the work, we document the after condition. It's transparent, professional, and reduces the friction that slows down approvals and disrupts schedules. Operationally, we've also formalized how jobs get created and documented, down to capturing a data plate photo and a narrated video in the workflow, so it's consistent across all technicians. As we scaled usage, a user adjustment saved us $5,000 annually, and we avoided a $3,500 implementation fee. So the value isn't theoretical, it's actually measurable. We ourselves have seen close rates on quoted repairs of as little as 12 business hours, and the average is less than 48 hours since moving to XOI. From where I sit, XOI is much more than documentation. It's a systematic approach to presenting job site data or real data for the customer's equipment to the customer so that they can make decisions. We've made the choice to make XOI part of our DNA. We've expanded our relationship with XOI to include XOI Advisor and capabilities like site survey and quoting, because capturing structured asset data earlier supports better decisions downstream. The bottom line is XOI helps us deliver the kind of service that we believe in, service that's transparent, professional, and built on truth. It also strengthens how we run the business and how we perform, and that performance builds our relationships with our customers. And we all know that in this business, it's all about building strong relationships. XOI helps us accomplish that.